And so, why would you build your own home? Why would you take the time to learn the skill, is what a friend was asking me. Why not just get a loan and have the bank build it? I can have it now, right? Well, the truth is that you can do that, but then you're going to spend up to 30 years of your life working to pay for it. You're going to have to go to work when you don't, you're going to have to get up when you don't necessarily want to get up. You're going to have to go to work to a job you don't necessarily love, and spend the majority of your day and the best years of your life building a banker's dream. They're the ones out there on the golf course. They're the ones traveling to other countries for months at a time. They're the ones sailing on a yacht. And so you see, you can build your own house in as little as 1 year. Even if you make minimum wage, you can build a paid-for house in 1 year. And you could even expand it as the need grows. So why would you want to do that? You know, why would you want to spend 1 year of work versus 30 years of work to have a home? Even more than just having a home, it's the confidence, the security, the knowing that no matter what, you're going to be okay, that you can do anything, you can overcome any obstacle. It's a real boost in your personal security and your knowing about who you are and what you can do. Now, not only this, but having built your own home, the job becomes optional. You can work as you choose. You can get up when you choose. You can go do the things you can choose. And even someone working minimum wage, living in one of these houses, could literally take 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 months of the year to go travel, as opposed to going to a job. And then when they come back, they have a home. They don't have to ask themselves, well, how am I going to pay for rent? How am I going to make my mortgage payment? It's a done deal. You have a home, you have a base of operations from which your entire life can build. And so these are just a few reasons of why you would want to build your own home. Now, I would like to hear, why would you build your own home? Or why would you not build your own home? Click the link below in the description and find out more, and find out how you can attend one of our workshops. And I look forward to hearing from you.